Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your support, likes, comments and share mean a lot of to me. In this video, I am excited to share some beautiful and creative craft ideas with you. These ideas are simple, budget friendly and perfect for anyone who loves making handmade creation. So grab your supplies, get comfortable and let's enjoy this amazing craft together. Crafting is a wonderful way to express creativity. You don't need expensive materials to make something beautiful. Sometimes the simplest item can be transformed into amazing decoration and useful handmade piece. The craft ideas in this video are easy to follow and suitable for beginners as a well-experienced crafter. Whether you are making these projects for your home gift or just for fun, I hope they inspire you to create something unique. One of the best things about crafting is that every project becomes special because it is made by hand. No two handmade items are exactly the same, and that is what makes them beautiful. You can also customize these ideas with your favorite colors, patterns, and decorations. Let your imagination guide you and create something that reflects your personal style. Crafting is not only enjoyable but also relaxing. It gives us a chance to take a break from our busy routines or focus on creating something meaningful. I would love to know which ideas from this video is your favorite. Feel free to share through in the comment section. Your feedback always inspire me to create more content for you. For those who new here, welcome to our creative community. We have sharing ideas, learning together and support each other. And to all my regular viewers, thank you for always beginning here. Your kind words and encouragement motivate me to keep creating new videos. A special thank for my amazing subscribers and viewers. You are the reason of my channel keep growing every day. Every like, comment and share help me people discover our creative community. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. Let's continue growing and spreading creativity around the world. Your support means more than you can imagine, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you would to help this channel grow, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe and turn on the notification. This simple action help the channel reach more people and follow me to bring you every more creative ideas in future. Please support the channel and help it grow. Every subscriber can make a difference. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this creative and I found some inspiration for your next project. Stay creative, stay positive and making beautiful things. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe for more amazing craft ideas. Take care, stay safe and I will see you in the next video. Creativity is not about having expensive materials, it is about using simple things in a creative way. Sometimes the best handmade projects come from the simplest ideas. I believe everyone has creativity inside them. We just need to give our chance to shine. Crafting is a great way to relax, learn new skills and create something beautiful. Every handmade creation tells a story and reflects the personality of its creator. If you try any of these ideas, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about your experience. Which craft idea was your favorite today? Number 1, number 2 or all of them? Tell me below. I always enjoy reading your comments because they give me inspiration for future videos. My wonderful viewers, thank you for being part of the creativity journey. Your support, encouragement, and kind comments means so to me. Every time you watch my video, you motivate me to create even more content. You are not just viewers, you are a beautiful creative family. Thank you so much and goodbye. Stay blessed.